see a lot of bulging discs after an injury to the back. And it's very common in automobile accidents to have, a back injury. And back injuries usually happen because there's a lot of forwards and backwards motions or left and right motions in an accident. And your head doesn't even really need to hit anything in order to really get a back problem, whether it's in, the upper back, the mid back, the lumbar, which is the low back. You don't really have to make contact with anything. It's just this fast movement or this whiplash that can create, a severe injury in your back. And one of these common injuries is a bulging disc. And, depending on the doctor you go to, some doctors will say, well, bulging disc is not super severe. I mean, lots of people can have bulging discs and they don't even know about it. Well, the problem is after an accident, it almost always creates a problem because these bulging discs not just hurt the area where the bulge is in the disc, but they can also press on your nerve root, which is in your spine. And this can cause radiating pain, make it difficult to bend down, to move at all. Any type of movement in your back can cause lots of pain. And this radiating pain can, last for a long time unless you get it fixed. And so if you've got a bulging disc, you really need to go to a doctor. You maybe need to do some physical therapy and maybe some other types of intervention, maybe injections or possibly even a surgery if it doesn't get better. And these types of injuries, you certainly can get compensation for after an accident. Just because, you think it's whiplash and you've heard that, you can't sue for whiplash, well, you certainly can. And if you have a bulging disc and it's really causing you pain and discomfort, you certainly can get compensation for that. So you need to seek medical attention, maybe get it checked out, fixed up, PT or other interventions, and then contact a lawyer. So that way you can get compensation for your pain and suffering from an accident that was caused by somebody else.